Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to have an internet access, so you need to connect the watch to the internet, and also you need to copy or add the Google account to your watch so you can use the Google Play Store. If you don't have the Google account added to your watch, you can always add it by using the Galaxy Wearable application on the phone that is paired with your watch, basically. Okay, once you have the internet connection and the Google account added to your watch, we can continue. And now we can wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. In the menu, find the Google Play Store icon and tap on it. And this should open the Google Play Store. In the app, you should see the list of categories by default right here. You have featured apps, healthy mind and body and stuff like that. You can select one of these categories if you want to, or you can tap on the search button and look for something more specific. If you tap on search, you will see this screen, and you can tap right here and enter the name of the app by using the keyboard. Okay, and then tap search. And here we have the list of apps. Once you enter the phrase, what it shows basically when you enter the browser. Now, select the or find the app you want to install. For example, I'm gonna try to install Samsung Internet Browser. Tap on it to select it, and here you have the information page for the app, and you have this install button. But before we install the app, we can also scroll down, check the score for it, how many downloads, the description, screenshots, and I believe you can also check the reviews right here. Okay, and now once you're done checking the information, you can tap on the install button to download and install the application. Okay, and as you can see, the application is done installing. Now we can tap on the open button to open it right here, but you could also, or you should also be able to see the icon for your app by opening the menu on your watch, and it should be right here at the bottom of the menu. And you can open it by tapping on the icon, of course, and here we have the browser. So basically, you need to find the app you want to install, tap on the install button, and wait until it's done installing. And that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.